Today, we're ditching the usual travel fluff and getting real about how to conquer your next flight. I'm about to unveil the insider tips that seasoned travelers swear by. Prepare for liftoff, it's time to upgrade your flying game. Prepare to have your mind blown. Hey, it's Matt Parr, and here at Trip Expert, we help you travel worldwide. Today, we're diving deep into the world of aviation with 7 flight secrets you'll absolutely wish you knew sooner. Get ready to travel smarter, not harder. Let's get started. Number 7. Special meal magic beyond the bland airplane food. Foodies and strategists, listen up. Airline cuisine isn't known for its quality. What if I told you could skip the normal fare and enjoy a better in-flight meal? Do you know you can hack the in-flight meal system? Airlines typically provide a variety of special meals, including vegetarian, vegan, diabetic, gluten-free, kosher, and halal options. The key is that you don't need such dietary restrictions to order one. Think about it. These meals are prepared separately, generally more carefully, and served first. Fresher food, faster service, and a sneaky beverage cart rush advantage. Imagine eating a delicious vegetarian curry while your neighbor peels the wrapper off a lukewarm chicken dish. Seems appealing? Special meals may taste better and meet your tastes. You may prefer a lighter dinner or certain items. You can tailor your in-flight food experiences, so check the special lunch options when booking your travel. You might discover your new favorite in-flight meal. Pro tip: search airline special meals for unlimited airplane meal options. Check the airline's special meal ordering policy. Some airlines require 24-hour prior orders, while others have greater lead times. Skip the last minute. Be considerate and mindful. Please prioritize your nutritional needs. This suggestion is about investigating choices, not using a health-specific system. Maybe you're curious to try something new. In that situation, ordering a special lunch is fun. Even if you request a special meal, it may not be gourmet. It's worth trying for a more tailored and possibly tastier in-flight experience. Remember that food options vary by flight length, service class, and time of day. On a short domestic flight, you may only have a snack or small meal. Long-haul international flights have additional options. Do some research to discover what's available on your flight. Number 6. Neck pillow. Pro tip: don't overdo it. Air pressure is real. If you've struggled to find the right neck pillow support, raise your hand. All of us have struggled with straps and stuffing to find a comfortable nap. This is game-changing. Avoid overinflating your neck pillow, especially inflatable ones, before boarding. Leave flexibility. Like a balloon, overinflating it could pop it. Why? Since air pressure changes during ascension, air expands in the pillow as the plane climbs. If rock hard, expect a discomfort or a burst pillow. No one wants to be the aircraft passenger whose neck pillow bursts. Leaving some leeway for expansion prevents this and lets the pillow respond under pressure without stiffening. Since completely inflated pillows can press your head forward at an unnatural position, this can help minimize neck discomfort. Leaving some air room in the pillow can also improve comfort beyond pressure. It helps the pillow conform to your neck and head, minimizing pressure spots and offering superior support. Try different inflation levels to find your ideal level. Some like firm pillows, others soft ones. The trick is to balance support and comfort. Before fully inflating your neck pillow, consider air pressure variations and adapt. It's a minor change that can improve travel comfort. Number 5. Rear seating advantage. Hidden perks in the back of the bus. Many passengers dislike sitting in the back of the plane. They fear flying after seeing the rear seats. They imagine loud engines, long toilet walks, and being the last off the plane. Actually, sitting in the back of the plane has some benefits, especially if you're clever. Let's dispel some myths and reveal the back row's benefits. While those in the front D-plane first, passengers in the back galley can reach flight attendants faster. Need another drink? Want another pretzel bag? Feeling sick and need help? Sitting closer to the galley might speed up service and increase personnel attentiveness. You can easily flag down flight attendants in the galley because they congregate there. Plus, larger flights have closer restrooms. This can save you on long flights. No more peeing halfway down the plane. The plane fills up from front to rear, so sitting in the back may be advantageous. If the flight isn't full, you may have an empty seat next to you. Extra space is always welcome. However, rear seat risks must be considered. The engine noise and turbulence may be louder at the back. You will be among the last to exit the plane, but being near the facilities and flight attendants is worth it. Next time you book, consider the buses back. It may surprise you. You may discover new in-flight comfort and convenience. Do not discard the back row on outmoded assumptions. Number 4. Morning flights. Beat the delay game. Time is of the essence. Want to dramatically enhance your likelihood of arriving on time and reducing travel stress? Quick tip: plan early morning flights. Flight delays often accumulate during the day owing to aircraft rotation issues and weather disturbances. Flying early reduces the risk of that ripple effect. Imagine the first flight of the day as the first domino. If the domino falls on time, the others may follow. However, if it is late, it can cause delays for other aircraft. Morning flights are less likely to be delayed, thus you'll likely arrive on time. This is crucial if you have connecting flights or key meetings. Arriving on time reduces tension and inconvenience. Additionally, early morning air is calmer, making for a smoother ride. Many people dislike turbulence, so a smoother flight is welcome. In addition to delays, morning flights are less packed. Business travelers prefer flying later in the day, thus early morning flights may have more empty seats. More space means more comfort. When booking a ticket, consider the perks of an early morning departure. A simple method can greatly improve your vacation experience. Waking up early can be difficult, but knowing you're less likely to be late is worth it. When scheduling an early morning flight, include airport travel time. Traffic and security lines may need you to leave home early. Plan ahead to avoid last-minute stress. Number 3. Tray table tactics, germ warfare, your personal protection. Okay, let's be honest, germs thrive in planes. Recirculated air, confined areas, and passenger turnover foster bacteria and virus growth. Not the bathroom, but your tray table and armrests are dirty. Consider that many passengers have eaten, worked, and changed diapers on them. They're not always cleaned adequately between flights. Tray tables hold more bacteria than aircraft toilets, according to research. Gross, huh? A bundle of disinfecting wipes is always useful. Pro tip: include a small pack of disinfecting wipes in your carry-on. Clean your tray table, armrests, and seat buckle when you board. Remember the window shade and overhead air vent control, which are high-touch areas. It's an easy, fast approach to decrease germ exposure and keep healthy on the road. Imagine having your own airline cabin clean zone. A simple self-care act can improve your health. Hand sanitizer, especially after contacting shared surfaces, might supplement wipes during the journey. Avoid touching your face whenever possible. These simple actions can reduce traveler illness. Staying healthy on a flight requires preventive. Number 2. Hydration hazards. The water warning. Stay safe and thirsty. This one may surprise you, but it's crucial for travel health. Avoid tap water and hot drinks on flights. The short of it is that coffee and tea urns stink. Why? Plain coffee and tea tanks aren't always cleaned properly. This can cause bacteria and other contamination. The water in these tanks may not be drinkable. Airlines must meet water quality regulations, however, airplane water systems might be contaminated. Hydrate securely using sealed bottled or canned liquids. This ensures you're drinking clean bacteria-free water. Order a canned drink and pour it yourself instead, then letting the flight attendant do it. This reduces contamination. The risk isn't worth it. Contaminated water is more dangerous than buying bottled water. If you're concerned about plastic bottles' environmental impact, fill your reusable water bottle at a water fountain after security. Long flights require staying hydrated to avoid dehydration and preserve energy. Hydration must be done wisely. Avoid tap water and hot drinks to stay healthy and enjoy your trip. Number 1, the layering lifestyle. Dress for anything, your personal climate control. Okay, this is the ultimate flight secret for comfort and adaptability. Even if you're heading to a tropical paradise, always dress in layers when you fly. Airplane cabins can be notoriously cold thanks to high altitude temperatures and pressurized air. The temperature can fluctuate dramatically throughout the flight, so it's important to be prepared for anything. Don't assume the temperature will be comfortable. It's usually calibrated for efficiency, not passenger enjoyment. Airlines often prioritize fuel efficiency over passenger comfort, which can result in a chilly cabin. Pack a light jacket, hoodie, or scarf in your carry-on, even if you think you won't need it. You can always remove layers if you get too warm. But you'll be grateful you have them if you start to feel a chill. Opt for clothing that is breathable and comfortable, such as cotton or linen. Avoid tight or restrictive clothing. as this can further exacerbate discomfort. Layering allows you to easily adjust your clothing to the changing cabin temperature, ensuring that you stay comfortable throughout the flight. Think of it as creating your own personal climate control system. In addition to clothing, consider bringing a pair of warm socks. Your feet can get cold on long flights, so a pair of socks can make a big difference. Also, be mindful of the fabric of your clothing. Natural fibers like cotton and wool are generally more breathable than synthetic fabrics. So next time you're packing for a flight, remember the importance of layering. It's a simple yet effective way to stay comfortable and prepared for any temperature fluctuations. By incorporating these flight secrets into your travel routine, you'll be well equipped to handle any challenges that may arise and make the most of your time in the air. Protect your health by being smart about hydration and hygiene, and maximize convenience with smart seating and meal choices. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, and share these secrets with your fellow travelers. Now, if you want to track your trips and everywhere you've been, including cities, hotels, restaurants, and key travel stats of everywhere you've been, make sure to download Trips app, which is completely free and available for both Android and iOS. Now check out this video on the screen if you want to discover how to travel the world for super cheap and how to potentially make money traveling. This is how I visited over 50 countries easily. Flying first class for cheap, it's basically a free course for doing this. I'll see you there.